back at the arena in San Juan for Game 1 of this best-of-3 finals between the defending champions and last year's first runner-up. USD and LaSalle, respectively. Biggest lead of USD at 4-16-12, but they are down by 2 sets to none against LaSalle. What a block.
Well read by USD.
Double block on Cruz. What a dig by Banaticla, but she could not control the ball, and that is point de LaSalle.
Much aggressive USD squad this time, this third set. In the first 2 sets, where you can really feel they were so unfocused. Unimpressive kind of play for USD in the first 2 sets.
Three-lady block
Yes,
on Maizo.
Now coming up with 3 blockers. You can see their adjustment right away of Coach Ramil de Jesus. You know he wants to take this set and take this game away.
But they paid the price for that. Nung nag-3-lady block kay Maizo, they were not able to recover on Caballejo. That's why she scored, and lamang na naman ang 4 ang USD here. Karangan is serving. Missed set right there by Esperanza, and USD made them pay for that error.
Caballejo smartly now using the blockers of De La Salle, the tall blockers of De La Salle, to taking that point.
It is now the biggest lead of Ustek at 5 points. 18 serving 13, Karangan.
Oh, and beautiful. That was perfectly executed. Downline hit.
Jack Alarca, one of the best, playing in her final season for LaSalle and looking to finally bring the championship back to De La Salle University.
Oh, and that was the line, and an ace for Jack Alarca.
Big mistake by USD there.
For Reed.
And at this point, USD can't find themselves sleeping on the job again.
They
Right
cannot
on the line.
relax. Oh, Alarca giving hope back to USD, committing that error on the serve.
Judy Caballejo serving. Good solid serve. It's going to be a free ball for USD. Maizo storming in and scoring.
This is how we know Isa Maizo hits the ball. Now with power. No blocker for De La Salle.
Great decoy when Ortiz
Yep.
curled around Timakulangan, and now it's the biggest lead of... I spoke too soon, I guess. I was about to say 5 points, the biggest lead, but not anymore. It's down to 4 off that service error by Caballejo. Shooting themselves in the foot right
Yep.
there is USD. Joanne C., last year's Rookie of the Year, checks in for Esperanza. This is a surprising twist.
So now is Cruz going to set?
I don't know.
I think Shaq Cruz is
Okay.
going to set now for De La Salle.
We'll see how this plays out for
Because now he
LaSalle.
wants a full front line. You see Shaq Cruz now.
She is playing setter. Off to the other side, Banaticla, that came back off the block. Wow.
Lucky break there.
I've
for
never
De
seen
La
that.
Salle.
Never seen this happen. This was already in, but it bounced out. What a play from Maranyo. Deficit down to 3 for LaSalle. 17 serving 20.
This move will work for Coach Ramil.
Just putting 120% off that hit and getting the kill.
Finds another serve. Now in the back row, it's Ortiz and Banaticla in front for USD.
21 serving 17. Back to a 4-point advantage for USD. The tip. USD prepared for that. Caballejo. Cruz playing setter in place of Esperanza. Awkward looking hit from Gumabao. Banaticla. Dunk! Gumabao, what a play.
Gumabao once again just hanging on, looking looking at that volleyball. And look at her. Going for a push. Rewarded with a point. And now, Castillo inside to set.
Replacing Gumabaw. So that experiment of pulling out Esperanza and putting Cha Cruz as the setter paid off for Coach Ramil De Jesus. Underhand set for Banaticla. Gets it off the Joanne C. block.
Hirotsuji now for Karangan. So it's now Hirotsuji and Banaticla in front for USD. And you have Cha Cruz, Mercado, and Maraño for LaSalle.
It's still Cha Cruz playing setter. Zone 1 picked up. The tip too wide for Maraño, and USD, courtesy of the errors of LaSalle, is starting to pull away. It's their biggest lead at 5 points right now.
So it's actually Cha Cruz still setting for De La Salle. And Ortiz gets the name.
Really struggling this season as a receiver.
I could even see Isa Maizo targeting Melissa Gohing when she goes for the hit.
Ranked number 9 out of the 10 best diggers in the league is Gohing. Mercado blocked. Still alive, courtesy of the floor defense of LaSalle. Banaticla rejected. Maizo to Banaticla again. The tip.
Well read by Mercado.
C. Banaticla, third try.
Not enough option for USD as Mercado wins the point. Tibaculangan opting to go to Banaticla on that last 3 plays. Hirotsuji is the other option, but you can only give it to her if it's a perfect first ball so that she can go for a quick hit.
LaSalle saving 1 set point. Oh, but they throw it away on the Maraño serve. That's been the story of set number 3. The errors of LaSalle kept USD's hopes alive and actually pushed USD to the win in set number 3.
To get back their groove, to get back motivation and win that third set. So let's see if that will carry on with the fourth set. Well actually, this is how we expected it, Eric.
1 set for USD, 2 sets for LaSalle. To a set 4 we go right after these.